No such rule exists. There's nothing saying use AI like this in Q2 2026 or lose monetization forever. That's not in Neil Mohan's 2026 letter or any official YouTube policy. The crackdown comes from a July 2025 update that renamed repetitious content to inauthentic content. Mass produced, templated, low effort stuff with little original input, whether made by humans or AI, has always been ineligible for the YouTube Partner Program. The update just made it clearer they're targeting channels pumping out near identical videos at scale. Mohan's January 2026 letter doubles down on fighting AI slop, low quality, repetitive garbage, by strengthening the same spam and clickbait systems they've used for years. He calls AI a tool for expression, not a replacement, and they're rolling out helpful features like shorts with your own AI likeness. Bottom line, you won't lose monetization for using AI. You lose it for making lazy, soulless spam that viewers don't actually want. Add real commentary, personality, editing, or unique takes, whether with AI help or not, and you're fine. Pure prompt and upload farms are the ones getting hit.